In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove green screen from video in After Effects. Download any green screen video and background image or video for background. First, create a new composition and give name to it. Set width and height of video. I am going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Then set frame rate to 30 and duration to 5 seconds and click OK button. Then go to File, Import, and File, select both files and import them. Drag the image to Layer Panel and press S to scale image size. Now drag the green screen video to Layer Panel on top of image layer. Then go to Effects and Presets and search Keylight. Drag and drop Keylight effect on green screen video. Select Color Picker tool and select green color. This will remove green color from video. Press the spacebar to play video. It will take little time to render. Press spacebar again to stop. Go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. If you already installed QuickTime, you can export it in movie format. Now on Output to select File Name and give name to your file. If you want, finally click Render button and the rendering will start. It will take little time. When rendering is complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.